Hello everyone. This is basically what we are going to build in this video. This is a simple login form with an email field, a password field. If we type the email, type the password, something, we have this functionality. And if we click on login, this will give us a alert. So let's build this. Okay, in this video, we will be going to make a simple login form using Bootstrap and some simple JavaScript. So let us proceed and make a folder, and then we will open this folder in the VS Code. We'll make a file called index.html. Now we will simply put the normal HTML5 document layout. We put a title, simple login form. Okay, we will be using Bootstrap, so let us go and grab the Bootstrap CDN. We'll only need the CSS, so I'll take only the CSS and paste it in the plate. So let's go and design the form. So we will take a div and give this class. This is a bootstrap class, container fluid, and in this div we will open a row. We will make this of height 100 vh, the whole viewport height, and we'll also make this height of 100 vh. Now we will divide this row into 3 sections, each of having 4 columns. So div column d4. Bootstrap has 12 columns, so we are leaving 4 columns on the left side blank. We will put the form in the center and then leave the right side blank. So we will put our code in this div. So now we will open a jumbotron. With padding of 3, and put a h1 with class of text center. These all are bootstrap class. So login, and we'll put a hr with margin in the y-axis of 2. So let us see how our code looks, how our web page looks. This looks like this. We will get to it in the center. So for this, we'll use a class here, bootstrap class myauto, which keeps the margin in the y-axis to auto. So now it is in the center. Now we'll add the form. We'll remove the action for now. Now we'll open it is form group with class form group. This is also a Bootstrap class. Inside this we will use label for, let's say, email, email, and where here we have an input type of email and a class of form control. Form control is also Bootstrap class. So, and we will do this for the password also. So let us see how this looks now. It looks like this: simple, elegant. We will have some margin top for the form, so, and we'll add put a placeholder email, placeholder password. So now this looks like this. Now we'll add a login button. So again, div of form group, and we'll add a button of type submit, and which will say login. So how this looks? This looks like this. We will add a bootstrap class, some bootstrap class for this button. So this will look good. We'll make this a primary button. Now this looks like this, and we'll make the button to block level. So now the button looks like this. Simple, and if you want, then we can have here input type of checkbox name. We don't need the name here. We can put the show password checkbox. So password. So now this looks like this. Here you can check, and we have created our login page. Now if we want, we can do some more styling and give a background a nice gradient. So we can search for the Google web gradient, and lots of sites pops up. I use the webgradients.com. This gives nice little background gradients. Let it load. So anyone we can choose between these. We'll choose this. We'll copy the CSS and use in our style. We'll keep the body. No, this looks good. We can have lot more functionality here, like we can show password, we can do something on login, Now let us add some functionality, like when we click this we can see the password what is typed here, and like if we click the login button we will get a alert or something. So for this we will go to our code, we will add a JavaScript file, we will name it main.js and add it to the HTML. So here we have added this. Let us refer the email field, password field, so password checkbox and the submit button. We will give a ID here, ID button submit. So let us go. Okay. Const input email, email equal to get element by ID email. Second one is the password. Third one is the show password. Fourth one is the submit button. So here we have all. Now what we can do, the first one is show password. So we will listen to the show password dot on click equal to a function if password dot type equal to password then type will change it to text, else password dot type equal to password. Let's see if this works. We have typed here. Let us click this. Yes, it is working. So now we will add some functionality for login button click. So button submit dot on click equal to a function which will alert the credential. You can do whatever you want. This is email dot value plus space password equal to password dot value. So this should work. Yes, here you can see it works. We can also use like it get an event. We can use the event dot prevent default function. So the default behavior should not be done. Now we can delete all the email dot value equal to, this will delete password dot value. Way of using Bootstrap is like this becomes responsive. The website becomes responsive. If we reduce the size of the screen, it will adjust itself. So you don't have to worry. Like if we open this in mobile, it will look like this. So by this we have created a simple login page, and we have put the functionality of showing the password, and we have given a alert message on login. So thank you.